Now, your ABC 12 First Alert forecast.
Well, good evening, everyone. Hopefully you're all having a nice, safe Thanksgiving out there. Bay City looking very nice right now. The tree, which is right over here, it's just a dark triangle right now. That's going to be lit up tomorrow at 7 o'clock. It's going to be cold and blustery out there, but it's definitely going to feel like the season, that's for sure. Here's a look at our storm system right now. That is passing us by, but since it is leaving us, going off to the east into areas like New York and Cleveland, we are now on the backside. So we are getting a lot of cold air coming on in, and it's a slow fall, which is good, but we are transitioning over from rain into snow like you see off to the north right now. And really some of the only areas seeing any snow are from West Branch northward, and the roads are very tricky up there. But for our area, not so much. Again, all in the form of liquid. Temperatures are still over freezing, so if you're still thinking about heading out the door, you got a little while. Don't rush out. We're not looking at a flash freeze or anything like that, but it is still raining from areas like Fenton, Grand Blanc over toward downtown Flint, Flushing, Swartz Creek, all seeing that. Off to the north from Midland, Bay City to Saginaw, we are seeing a couple light rain showers as well, and then a few more for the thumb, and again, a couple areas of snow mixed in from West Branch over toward Oscoda, and maybe even Tawas City kind of on the leading edge of that as well. But again, temperatures, there is a very slow fall. We're down to 37 for Flint and Lapeer, but we're still above freezing even all the way as far north as West Branch. So again, the roads aren't going to immediately deteriorate, but they eventually will, and we'll likely have some icy spots out there by tomorrow morning. Now notice those wind speeds were pretty high, 10 to 20 miles per hour. The wind will increase even more overnight tonight. So here's the wind chill, and you just saw a couple of updates tick down into the 20s, so it only feels like 22 right now in West Branch. Feels like 25 in Mount Pleasant, 27 in Midland and Saginaw. These feels like the wind chills will likely be in the lower teens tomorrow morning. And again, we could have some icy roads out there as well. So we're still looking good over the next couple of hours. It's really not until about 10 or 11 we go below freezing. But look at the 20s by tomorrow morning. And it's going to be very windy out there as well. So anyone, still doing the traditional Black Friday, going out early thing, it's going to be really cold. And watch out for some of those icy roads. Into the afternoon, notice we're not going to warm it up too much and getting towards 6 o'clock there right before the tree lighting in Bay City. 20s. The wind will die down, but it's still going to be pretty cold out. So a lot of cloud cover coming our way the next few days, and there's our Clipper system racing on through. Now, the good thing with Clipper systems is they move fast, so we'll get some snow. It's just going to be brief, but it could add up to about 1 to 2 inches Saturday night into Sunday morning. So tonight, again, the chill is on. Watch out for slick roads tomorrow morning. It will likely be a case, and then we'll top out right around 30 for a lot of us. Still going to be kind of breezy out there, but overall, those winds will start to taper off toward the evening. Now, we have issued first alert weather days for Saturday evening into the day Sunday for the snow that's going to come in with that Clipper system. And Sunday's just on and off in nature, but since it's such a busy travel day and we'll still have some snow coming down, we're going to keep that first alert weather day issued for that as well going into the day Sunday. And then we will have a gradual warm-up as we head into next week. Very gradual, but it's coming our way and we'll be a little closer to average because right now these temperatures are indeed about 10 degrees below where we should be. For the Great Lakes Bay region, cold couple of days coming our way as well, especially these overnight lows, and that's when we could have some concerns out on the roadways. Now, snow totals from Saturday night through the day Sunday and into Monday morning are only totaling right now here at the bottom of the scale, which is about 1 to 3 inches out there. With some melting in the day, it's not going to add up to a whole lot, but that's just enough, especially since it's one of the first rounds of the year, that of course we could have a couple of issues out there on the roadways, especially with overnight lows as cold as they are. That's especially when we could get some icing on the roadways.